The government on Tuesday decided to open up vaccination against coronavirus for everybody above 45 years of age from April 1st. Union Minister Prakash Javadekar said it has been decided that from April 1st the vaccination drive will open up for everybody above 45 years of age, and we have requested that all the eligible should immediately register and get vaccinated. Speaking about a decision on the matter taken by the cabinet, Javadekar said there are enough vaccines and there should not be any concern regarding its availability. The vaccination drive in India started on January 16th with healthcare workers, after which frontline workers were inoculated from February 2nd. The next phase of vaccination was opened up on March 1st for people above 60 years of age and for those aged 45 and above with specified comorbid conditions. People would no longer have to produce a certificate of comorbidity to receive a shot. Registration on CoWIN for beneficiaries above 45 years will begin from April 1st. Mumbai, which has been struggling to contain a fresh wave of COVID-19 infections and has been reporting cases higher than when the pandemic broke last year since last week, will not play Holi this year. The BMC has banned all public gatherings owing to rising cases and has categorically prohibited Holi celebrations on March 28 and March 29th. Additionally, it has also urged people to take full precautions and, if possible, avoid any celebration this year. Violators will be penalized, a circular issued by the civic body said. BJP President JP Nadda on Tuesday asserted that the Citizenship Amendment Act has been passed by the Parliament and will be implemented in time. Nadda, after releasing the party's manifesto for the Assam elections, said that the law, which does not find a mention in the manifesto, is a central legislation, and the Congress claim that they will not allow its implementation in the state if voted to power, maybe either due to their ignorance or they are trying to fool the people of the state. I do not want to comment on Congress thinking, but their approach is not only problematic but also dangerous for the state, he said. The highly contentious CAA seeks to provide Indian citizenship to Hindus, Jain, Christians, Sikhs, Buddhists and Parsis entering into India on or before December 31, 2014 from Bangladesh, Pakistan and Afghanistan after 5 years of residence here. The Supreme Court on Tuesday held that there will be no interest on interest charge from any borrower during the loan moratorium period of 6 months. However, the Apex Court also ruled that there cannot be any further extension of the moratorium and that the banks cannot fully waive interest as they are liable to account holders and pensioners. The verdict was pronounced by a bench of Justice Ashok Bhushan, R. Subhash Reddy and M.R. Shah. Justice M.R. Shah, while reading out the judgment, said, "We have considered reliefs independently. Waiver of complete interest is not possible as banks have to pay interest to account holders and pensioners. There shall be no interest on interest or compensation interest during moratorium period, irrespective of the loan amount. If any such amount has been collected, it shall be refunded," he added. Controversial former judge Justice C.S. Karnan, arrested in December last year for allegedly making vulgar comments against women and remarks against judges, was granted bail by the Madras High Court on Tuesday. As many as 10 cases were pending against the former judge of Madras and Calcutta High Courts. Accepting the undertaking given by Justice Karnan to the effect that he would not indulge in any such activities, Justice V. Bharathidasan granted him the relief, that too a conditional one. He should furnish 2 sureties for Rs 50,000 each and stay in the city, not tamper with the witnesses and appear before the investigating officers as and when required. Any violation of the conditions would render the bail order cancelled, the judge said. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members, You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying ₹3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.